move faster. Population becomes so many, and the needs of the natural source become so many too.
Everyone's really producing threats. In the threats is only being a topic, that only being an empty topic, with no action, that's showing a better environment.
Tracks have a relation with a dam, and now the land for being a dam becomes because many construction of house and industrial factory.
Trust is an X material that no one again of this after the end of the process.
Trust is a thing that shouldn't faced by us, and being a trouble that depends by ourselves. If assume trust is an important thing, trust will be a big trouble for us.
Trust is a risk thing, but if we use our creativity, the thing that have a risk look become a thing that have a useful look. So let's become friendly with trust. Because Indonesia is an island country that surely have many beautiful beach, and how to the condition of the beach, that only thing beautiful is free dress and beautiful like this thing. Sure? So let's go our sea.
Okay, you may ask how on land until garbage get into the sea. Simple. Next time, when see garbage through, walk when it's rain. The wet side of the road, there will be accumulated in the exciting ditch alongside the road, because in our country, generally cannot directly discard into the sea. Trucks and then strike into the sea. Not only that, major industry, contact industries have a role in marine pollution, because on average they do not have a place to direct water to major rivers and empties into the sea. Can also be marine transportation accident, such as a tanker transportation, oil spill that contaminated seawater, causing damage the marine ecosystem such as coral reefs and can kill marine life.
Population of the coastal area of Indonesia who live almost certainly visit the beach for nautical trips at least once a year. When it gets to the beach, it's not just sand beach that will be seen there, but also just sand beach that will be seen there, but also garbage, shrimp, they precipitate strangely little. This is a culture that is not good and will affect the social and cultural activities around the coast, as many community activities associated with the sea.
Approximately 90% of floating marine debris is plastic. Plastic, because of characteristics that are durable, can float and be able to accumulate toxins at sea. Plastic is very dangerous for the survival of marine life, but can conserve for the human waste in the sea, of which is that some type of waste such as waste glass or shards of glass and metal are protruding from the sand can injure people who visit the beach.
Apart from the waste, also threaten the safety and risks the livelihood of fishermen and tourist boats. This is because the bag and protecting net can be wrapped around the propeller. The engine use boat or ship. Besides, the bag and plastic coating may block engine cooling canal. So, that the engine becomes not quickly and ultimately shorten its life. The impact is the risk of accident, the high cost of repair and loss of fishing time, which ultimately will reduce the income of fishermen.
Every year people in Indonesia throw away more than 100 million plastic bags and it over to the sea, so it makes pollution in the sea, which make death of 1,000 birds and fish to more than 100,000 sea turtle, which started become to step.
Yeah, that's a little example rubbish in the sea.
So, how about rubbish in the land? Let's check.
Welcome to the Kopi Luhur. Let's talk about waste in Indonesia. How many types of waste in Indonesia? Numerous and complete. Simple put, we are the two only. First, the physical garbage, plastic, paper, meal waste, and other second. Waste air farms, smoke stores, smoke factory, and others.
What is the amount of garbage products daily in Indonesia? For the physical waste, just the small town of Makassar, approximately 500 tons. Jakarta extent may be approximately 3,000 tons in census town, and this number will continue to grow as the population. Biggest waste different from the activity of the population is not it. For waste aid cannot be measured in units. Assume it, the more the number of vehicles, the more smoke. More and more new building. Clear thoughts will pollute the environment, land, air, and water. Hence, it should be managed appropriately. For physical waste can be recycled into item of high economic value. Organic waste can be processed into compost. Organic waste can be processed into low color fuel briquettes and other. The government only work with companies Indonesia and foreign to process the waste. Process and the salt to buyer who carry it. Government can obtain refunds from these sellers. Dispose of trash in its place. For this April, expect awareness of each citizen of Indonesia to complete because the government obviously did not have the power or money to the 10 matter. Let learn every day.
For waste air, the government should build many city parks. State park work to minimize the carbon dioxide in the air. It goes up like better compassioner that biologists would testify. To smoke the plant, the government has managed to control by requiring the plant stand in a separate area, not in the middle of town. Industrial zone is established for such purpose. It's not there. If there are factories that produce waste of hot smoke standing in the middle of the town, just affected.
To develop the government should use Singapore strategy. Reduce the number of vehicles in circulation. You do this by reducing tax, leather as well as parking. If a company vehicle dealers protest, slap it. Car Free-Day program is also very good program. A program where there is one day the street free of vehicles. This program is proven this reduces pollution by 50%, although one by day.
There is a little example of waste management in Kopi Luhur and Cirebon City. Use a little about that, and do some positive change to our environment.
What can we do? First, use less stuff. Many pollution problems that happen was a matter of resources that are not used efficiently. When a fake for every item we recycle or reuse, we have to save a little that will end up. lifeguards are not left standing.
Participate in the statement of marine debris problem. Stated marine debris is an indication of the actual area of the coastal water of the population problem is far greater due to the ordinary things they do every day. We can play a role in overcoming this problem by recycling used oil, fix a leaking tanker, using products that are not toxic, and other practice that gutters are not clogged and clean. These practices include cycling, reuse, and reduce. We of the good at home, at work, and school. Waste paper can be used raw materials and manufacture newspaper product made from paper. Otherwise, it can be used both side of paper. If 907 kg of paper it to be raised, back mean there are 17 trees were saved.
First, give products made from relaxed material with minimum packaging or no packaging at all. Second, keep your gutters clean our environment because all that goes in it will lead to the sea. Third, do not waste the rest of the street and beach. Fourth, remove string nets put at the appropriate place and not the sea. So when the trash drop off into the sea by us, then our responsibility to not clean up, make sure that the sea comfortably inhabited by marine life and is visited by humans for recreation and living. So come on, let's trash discipline in the speech provide.
So, that's what we can present in our project. Start the positive change with some look little.
Because with some look little, we learn how to be a big and bigger. And
Let's have our